Hi guys, come with me as I go to work as a virtual assistant. So every Sunday, pumunta ako ng Caloocan to go to church because it's Lord's Day.
Get ready with me because I'm going to work.
So here nag-ayos lang ako ng mukha ko, ng hair ko para mag-ready papasok ng work. And ayan, o konting lagay lang din. Papaalam na ulit sa aking mga pets.
Bye-bye. Choco. Bye-bye. Kimchi.
So here, as you can see, natulog ako kasi every lunch break in the training room, pwede kaming mag-sleep, mag-nap. Because, yun nga, wala naman kaming work that time, so we can sleep. Yeah. So, pag may free time yan, nanonood lang ako ng K-drama with my dog, having her beside me. Ayan, that's my routine. After manood na yan, sige, tulog. Ayan, sige. And then, pasok again. Yes, girl. You gotta work to do.
Morning. Dapat ano yan? 7 a.m. Kumipit yung ano. I'm sorry.
So, every 11 a.m. and yan, nagla-lunch kami together para, magkaroon ng energy. So, ayan, yun ang ibang araw na yung video na yan.
Nakikita mo na lang ako dito. Pwede mo sabi ng yak na lang, no? Ay, gago, B! Wag talaga umakit na siya. Nararamdaman ko na. Ang init na eh. Wag lang kasi. Tangin na talaga. Babanata kita, tignan mo. Kahit makaligyan. Ay, gago! Gago, pinagpapawisan na ako. Tampanan mo na dito. Naglalamlam na yung mata ko ba?
But fun thing after work is being able to bond with my workmates. And here, as you can see, I'm getting my hair done in the salon kasi naisip ko gusto ko magpagupit, and this is how it ends. Ayan, yan yung pinagupit ko, U-shape lang siya. And then, ito naman yung time na binivisit namin yung friend namin kasi umalis na siya sa aming workplace and I miss him so much. Uy,
Ano daw?
buksan mo yung pinto.
Ano gago? Ito lang putang ina mo.
Hi!
Para bang hindi ka namin nakikitang matulog
Oo nga.
sa beds.
Sige na. Wait.
Since we've missed them so much, we always visit them whenever we have time, you know. Dahil sila yung parang naging talagang friend namin, talagang bumuo ng araw-araw namin. The laughters we have, the bond we have, sobrang dami naming na-share ng good memories and laughters. That's why we love them so much. And kahit na hindi na kami magkakasama sa work, we always make sure to visit them every time we have, you know, the opportunity to hang around with them. So that's it for my random updates, and we'll see you again with my next one. Bye!